Okay, it is on. Okay, 2018 entire year. We are going to pick a date. And we have a winner of May, June, and November 12. Since we have 2 May, let's pick May 16 or basically 30th, whichever one you guys want. Museum 16, okay. 18 May 16. So 16. Let's start with the 14 in this case. And 10,000. We're gonna do 100 leverage 365. I actually moved to 100 now. I stopped using 500 in my accounts, so I won't go for merging and do stupid shit. Okay. Video section. No, charts. 1 hour. It's getting slow. Okay. And we are going to risk and default. Okay, excellent. Let's take a look at daily. I'm feeling going daily today. Okay, let's have a quick look. Daily. Seems like daily has been rejecting this zone here at 147. 147. Okay, so you might come back here and go up. Looks like we can go back up here 150, 160. No, sorry, 150. One level just by daily here. You can come back here and continue down or it go up. Okay, that is the daily. That's all I needed. Let's look at 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't really tell me nothing just yet. We just have a zone right here, so we might come back and then go up. So 4 hour doesn't really tell me much. The daily was good. Let's look at the 1 hour. We're gonna start at 5 o'clock, 2 hours before the 7 o'clock mark, which is the London Open. We so 3, 4, 5, right? 5 o'clock. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's double check the news. What's the day again? 16, 14. 14, we don't have nothing. Tomorrow we have average earning index, and also we should have something like retail sales later on, maybe next week. We have retail sales for the States, so maybe retail sales next week. Okay, so this continue. We have a market right here. Just a very quick. Just a very quick markup. That is the 1 hour. Let me copy that to the 30 minutes. Copy 30 minutes. 30 minute looks okay. we have quite a bit of a rejection here. So let's see. So I want to create a little bit of a zone because I'm concerned about this too. Because based on right here, I would like to take a sell back to this level. We are good timing right now too, but I'm concerned with these ones. So far on 1 hour. Okay, actually I'm just gonna mark up a chart here. Okay, okay. All right, let's play just a little bit more. 1 hour. Look good for the 1 hour. 30 minutes looks good. If we have a 1 hour break, 1 hour bear close like this. Oops. No, I don't want that. Like this. Let's say this is bear closing below this one's, then it will be a nice confirmation for me to take a sell. I still want to take a sell though. What do you guys think? 0.5148. 20, 4 hour. Just want to quickly check 4 hour again. The problem is 4 hour we close above these candles. Ooh, that's gonna be a problem. Because I wanna, based on the 1 hour 30 minutes, it looks like we might reject this zone. I wanna take a sell. However, in 4 hour we did make a break right here. You know, support resistance. We had a break on this level. So it can go either way, to be honest. I'm not fully confident right now for this sell. I would prefer a sell. Okay, we're just gonna wait. Wait till might be come back here and take the buy in this case. Or what was this level? This is okay. So this in 4 hour look like right here. So actually let me copy this too. Okay. Retrace, yeah, because 4 hour we close above and we can continue go up to these levels, right? So for retracement, for a better buy, this makes sense to me. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for a buy then. Just gonna wait for a buy. Or we can sell 30, 40 pips, 10 pip, 40 pips. This is solid though, 148. 148, we're gonna wait for 148. Yeah. Ooh, that's nice candle, nice candle. Actually, I'm gonna take a sell. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a buy right here, 148. But we just had a close, very nice close of 15 minutes. Right here. Let's close at 15 minutes. I'm gonna take a sell, stop loss just a little bit above, and then we're gonna take it down to 148 level, and then we can switch to buy. Sell. Okay. So this is about 6 pips. So let's do 11 to 12 pips. And then we're going to target this level 148, just a little bit above 148.3. And then we can switch to buy. later on because I have the uh, bullish bias overall from daily, right? We have the daily daily, right? We have the daily that we are going to break, continue to break, right? Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. Your favorite candle on 15 minutes. Yeah, my favorite candle in 15 minutes. That is a very good candle. And only 1%. I'm relaxing today. I don't want to do crazy, stress myself over a simulation. Just do 1%. I'm tired. Uh, Italian pips. Italian pips. Italian pips. Are you Italian? Italian pips? Can I ask you a question? The other day, because I've been making pizza every single day last week, the Napoleon pizza thin crust, and my girlfriend loves pasta, and she doesn't like the pizza as much. So we were arguing that which one is more Italian, pizza or pasta. So in your humble opinion, which one represent Italian? Which one represent Italian more? Because legit, I've been making pizza, homemade pizza every single day. And she wanted me to make pasta. And I'm like, no, 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 no. Man, it's like choosing moms and dad. Oh, between the moms and dad. Okay, so which one is your favorite? Your mom or your dad? Are you a dude or are you a girl? If you're a dude, I think you would choose mom. But which one is mom? Pizza is mom or pasta is mom? Okay, let's see. We have back to chart. I just want to mark out this zone real quick. It seems like we do have a slight rejection here. I'm gonna watch how it plays out. Let's look at 1 minute. So take a pause. 1 minute. 1 minute. Where is that tray? No. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Ooh, that is not good. Let me copy this one. So this one right here. I copy right here 148.2 exactly at the PPL level. We do have a close of a rejection candle in 1 minute. Let's look at EMA. Oh, we have EMA as well too. Actually, let me quickly look at EMA if you guys don't mind. EMA. Okay, EMA. We have a problem. 30 minutes. Yeah, rejecting the 200 EMA, and we did have a cross of 5 minutes. However, it doesn't look like a good cross. We don't have much room right there. And we actually, because if this cross, if 5 minute cross, we need to continue a little bit lower before we come back to retest at the 14 EMA. And it seems that we are rejecting the 200 as well, and also 200 as well on the 30 minutes. So we might have a problem. So I'm gonna let this close, just run a little bit longer. So back to the default chart, and I'm gonna copy it back this and just let it play a little bit more. Consider it to, if the 1 hour close like this, if the 1 hour close like a doji like here, then I might trail it or basically close early. If not, I prefer this candle to close like that. then we will have a retest and can you go down. So that's what I want to look for. So we'll see how this 1 hour closes. This 1 hour is basically to the London Open as well too. Let's see. I feel like homemade pizza would be as good as homemade. Oh, homemade pasta would be as good as homemade pizza. Pizza is mom, pasta is dead. Yeah, yeah. I like moms too. Pizza's the best. All right, let's go. 15 more minutes. Uh, 15 more minutes. Let's go. Okay, that's good. We do have 5 minutes sort of rejection here, candle, but we still need a confirmation in 15 minutes. Okay, it doesn't look too good so far. We might actually push up for our respecting this level. Okay, 5 minutes does not look good at all. I'm just gonna give it one more chance at the hourly close. Very high likely I'm gonna close this up just to give you a little bit more chance. Okay, 5 more minutes to go. Yeah, it doesn't look like a sell anymore. Okay, we have a close. Okay, let's take a look. 1 hour, close like this. What is this? Okay, let me put this back. You're going to do something. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, okay, I'm gonna just close this. Doesn't look good right now. We'll take a small loss. So at this point, we can take a buy here at this support, or we can wait for the 148. I'm just gonna. I was gonna say I'm gonna wait for 148, but it seems like it's just gonna keep pushing. I'm not gonna enter buy right now because it's just too high for me to buy. We didn't get that position, but let's say if we did take a buy, let's just say we did take a buy. I would exit at 4 hour doesn't show me nothing. And okay, I would exit. 30 minute doesn't really tell me anything either. 15 minutes. Okay, we have a zone right here of the wick that we got filled, also closed above. So anything here, let's look at 5 minutes. Nothing much either. So we actually might go to the tip. We might actually push to the tip. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, for safety, I would do it right here. And what level is this? 149. Okay, so okay, we're gonna target 149 if we had to buy right here, target 149, unless we have some rejection candles in the 30 minutes or 1 hour around here. Then I will take the I will close right there. So we'll take a look. Was it a fake out, 30-minute fake out and retest of your zone you draw out on 140? Okay, what 30-minute fake out off and retest of the zone you draw on 148 to 148. 30-minute fake out. one of 148.2 here. Okay, 30-minute figure. Like you mean these candles? Because the resistance right now we are pushing up. This candle is basically retesting of this minor zone, right? I was just looking for taking a buy back, sell back to here because this is a stronger zone than here. Then I'll take the buy from here. But since we have a rejection here and I didn't get it, so I'm not going to take any more buy at the top. And we basically missed it about 650. I would secure some at 50 points, 50 pips, and then run it to maybe 180 to 100 pips. Let's see. So that's basically it. We have a rejection candle here in 30 minutes. I'm gonna mark this zone. What time is it right now? This is before New York. Yeah, if I missed that, I would probably wait for maybe a little bit higher, and then take the reversal back to a minor support or the 30 minute EMA, 14 EMA or 100. Sorry, 30 minute or 1 hour, 200 or 400. So not 400, 14 EMA reversal tray, like a New York reversal. That would what I look for. But we are just gonna skip this day to move a little bit more faster. Okay, we have a close about in 5 minutes, so we don't have a sell. Now this will be up here now. Okay, because we have a new high, right? Because these ones before I had this market right there, and I was looking for the minor rejection 550 minutes. It didn't happen. It broke a new high, so I'm using this high right now, right? This high, and we're gonna wait for rejection in the 15 minutes or 5 minutes. We actually have a good one. I missed that. We actually have a good one right here. Right here. Let's take a look at the EMA real quick. 30. I want to take it. 30 EMA is not much. 15 minutes. Sorry. 1 hour. 1 hour. We can look back to maybe grab a quick 20 pips. 20 pips for 15 pips. Because we are here, right? 9 pip plus 5. So 15 pips plus. Sorry, 15 pips for 20, 25 pip. It's not the best. Let's take a chance. So this is the New York reversal tray. We are have a 15, right? Which is this? This is about 5 pips above. And then we TP at the 14 EMA. The 30, we're gonna watch this level as well, just in case it reject and continue to go up. We're gonna watch for the 14 EMA at 30 minutes. If not, we are good to go at the 200 or the 14 in the 1 hour. Once it tapped the 1 hour, we are gonna close. Oh shit! What the fuck? That was super quick. That was just right on my stop loss. Let's take a look what happened here. It didn't tap the 30 just yet, so we'll see. If I have the tray, what was that? 15, 14 pips. Okay, let's see. Now we did perfect. So we did the 14 close below 14. unlike right here. And we actually took if it didn't tap me out, we did take the profit right there. So that's what I'm looking for in the EMA here. If this happened right here, then I'll close right away. But in this case, we have the close below the 14, which lead us to tap the 1 hour, 1 hour 14. Okay, we're gonna move on to the Tuesday trade. Tuesday, I'm gonna delete all this. Actually, I'm gonna copy this. Copy. Okay, and I'm gonna move to Tuesday. I'm gonna use this one. That's the Sunday open. Oh shit. Okay, that looks pretty good so far. And I'm gonna look for right here this recent low. And then I'm gonna, yeah, that looks good. In 15, I'm gonna just delete these ones. Just give me a second here. Perfect. Okay, and we are looking at 5 o'clock, right? So let's skip to that 5 o'clock. Okay, and let's take a look at the daily should continue, and 4 hour. Nice, 4 hour did have this break yesterday, and then it just keep pushing up. We did have a wick here. To continue, we only did half, right? So we should be able to continue and fill it right there. Okay, let's go back. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Nothing much so far. I would like to wait for a sell. Same thing, basically same thing. A sell in this level back here, and then a potential buy back and continue. Basically same thing as yesterday. Hopefully it will wait for us. Hopefully this will wait for us today instead of just keep pushing higher and higher. Right here, someone drew this. Let's take a look. Patrick. This is not a clean one in my opinion. Let's have a draw. This is not as clean as I would like. All of us is 148, 48, 48.8. Okay. I don't know. I really prefer it to go here. We'll have a look. If this reject, yeah, overall I still have the bullish bias from the higher time frame, and I would like to wait for the 148.5 tap before we can take a buy. So we'll have a look. They're pushing. 148, 149. We are 1 more hour till open. Or maybe sales at Asian high. Yeah, I'm looking for sales a little bit higher, tapping this zone first, and then we can take a look. I gotta go. Thanks, Queen. No problem. See, talk to you later. Italian pips. Italian pips. Okay. Any rejection here will do. $140, because this is at PPL level, right? 149. Just looking for any rejection, then we should be able to take a sell. We have engulfing in 5 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes close good. Engulfing in 5 minutes, right at 30 minutes before. I'm gonna take a sell right here. This is 6 pips, so I'm gonna take 12 pip stop loss, and then we're gonna go write it down to 148. I think we can go tap because this is PBL level just right above, right? So we can go to 148.5, but I just want to be secure and get the profit. 148.59 should be doable. Yeah. Oh, that was tight. That was tight. Holy. We have the second confirmation candle here, which is good. Okay, just a little bit. That was created at 3 pip, 2 pip high. If it tap me out, I'm gonna flip the table. We are close to open. 5 more minutes to open. Spread 1.2. Why didn't you go 5 pip above the previously high? Because if 5 to 10, so let's say right here, around right here, that would be about 20 pip. It's not really ideal in this situation. If I was gonna do that large of a stop loss, I might as well just wait for a little bit price to go a little bit higher. But yeah, I do agree. 5 to 10 above here would be safest one to for stop loss. But nowadays I want to have a tighter stop loss instead of 25, 30 pip stop loss. So currently I'm just using 5 to 10 pips above the signal that I'm using. So this is the signal candle that I'm using for 15 minutes. So I would either do 5 to 10 above this instead of 5 to 10 above this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we are getting slowly there. Slowly dropping. Okay, perfect. 15 minutes. We did have a close below this low, below all these candles. So the only thing we need to close is below this one, and we should be able to drop at this level. I'm gonna put a break even as well. 5 minutes we did have a close below, so break even should be no problem. Should be safe. And so this is basically, we're not gonna use that anymore. Give me that tap. Oh, 5 minutes close at this. What time is it? We are 1 hour in. Let me close. Okay, close. Perfect. Tapped. I really like. Okay, let's draw the 145. 0.5, 148.5, and I'm gonna mark this red. right here, just a couple of pips away. So I would prefer it to tap 0.5 before we can take the buy. If not, I'm just gonna leave it since we already got the pips for the day. Damn, that pushed out. News, no. Okay, I'm gonna move a little bit faster. Because unless it come back here, I wouldn't do anything to take a buy. Because if this break is kind of too high for me to buy for the price itself. We are, oh, it's coming close. We are at New York. Will this a New York trade? We consolidate about 50 pips for the whole day. We're gonna have a big movement in New York. Let's take a look here. Can we have 148.5? New York. Oh shit, what is this? Okay, no buys at this moment. Unless it is a fake out, we do have a 5-minute close right away above the 0.5 level. If it stay above 0.5, we have a buy. We have a buy right here, 0.5. Then next, so this candle broke above, broke below. Next candle closed back right away, and then the one after we do have a signal candle, and it is above 0.5. Let's see, 1 hour. 1 hour. We can actually take a buy here. What time is it again? We are at New York. 1, 2. Oh, NYSE open. So the stock exchange just opened 5 minutes ago. I believe we can take about how many pips is this? 15 pip. Okay, I will do that. 15 pips. This is 15 plus 5. So let's make it 20. Point 20. And for target level, we are targeting back to this high. And if we have a runner, because we're looking for this wick, right, to get filled in 4 hours. So I'm actually gonna take profit here, here, and then just trail it to this level. This is 148. Sorry, 149. Just right here, just a couple of pips. So about 20, 30 more pips. Okay, that's cool. We have the good buy right here. After, when are we gonna put a break even? Doesn't really have a break even level points right now. We'll see if create more structure. This is gonna be a problem if it stay like that. 15 minutes giving me a good hope. Yeah, 15 minutes is pretty okay. It's pretty tight. Okay, we are kind of late though, I think. Almost London close. I'm gonna put that break even at London close. No matter what happened, I'm gonna put that break even at London close. This is 1 more hour. So we'll see how this 1 hour close. So 15 minutes, we have to close above. This is good. 30 minutes, we have that. And it looks pretty solid so far. And we're gonna TP soon, actually. Time is it? 1 more hour. And I'm just gonna take, okay, so we hit the zone right here. I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna put break even and also close this time basically 90% because it's very late into the day. I don't want to hold this for any longer. This 30 pip, which is basically for fun. And that would be it for the day. So let's fast forward a little bit more. Nice. We did have a brick, and can I just trail it? Oh, it's super late. I'm just gonna trail it. Modify. Actually, I'm gonna close it because I was gonna just trail it just right below, and I'm just gonna close this. It's super late, and you see the spread is getting higher anyway. So we are moving on to the next day, 5 o'clock. Okay, that was a pretty good day. Did we fill the 4 hour? I want to check later. Okay, let's move this away. Double check with 1 hour. 1 hour looks good. That looks good for daily. Daily we have a long wick here, a long wick there. And 4 hour. 4 hour we did sort of hit our target, right? Right, we were targeting this one right here, and it came really close. So I considered that pretty much done with this wick here. What are we doing here? 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't tell me nothing. Let me turn this off. Okay, we do have a large space in 4 hour right here. We do have a large space right here, and what I'm talking about is like basically this wick. So if we drop below here, we actually can potential to fill this wick now. So this is going to be our target for today or tomorrow. Yesterday we had this wick, and here we did have the 4 hour wick to look at. And so basically 4 hour right here. So basically right here, right? So basically right here today in the 30-minute time frame. So what are we gonna do to have a confirmation that we are gonna break filling this wick? We are going to have this markup. We look like we have a flag going on, right? Something like that. And oops, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Or if it breaks above, I'm gonna look for either here or here, and then go down. If it's too high, then we might have a rejection here. If it's right here, then we actually can continue to go down. Yeah, okay. We're gonna play by ear and we'll see what happened. Nothing so far just yet. The magic flag, that's right. We're sort of stalling here anyway, so I think the flag is over. Let's see, 15. Oh, I didn't check 15 minutes. Let me check. Because for flags, I likes to have 15 minutes to more precise flags. So we actually broke in a little bit. Okay. Okay, we can use the 15 minutes. So for those who, let me see who's in here. DJ. Okay, so some of you guys know my cheat code and is in my private mentorship. So you know this pattern. What are we gonna look for here? If you can tell me. I'm gonna delete this, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna just keep in 15 minutes instead of copying 30 minutes. So we have a brick right? So this is the flag. We have a break here, and we are looking for the sell. We are looking at which level? We are looking at this level, right? And we're gonna take the sell back all the way down to this level 148. So Patrick says 149 exactly. So you got it. We are looking for something like that. Okay. Should I copy this too? Let's see. It's not bad. Okay. Because sometimes I don't like using that in a high time frame. Look, wonky. Okay. The 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour with this reject we can perfect. This 4 hour wick work perfectly with this pattern as well. So we have 140, 149, 149 just at the tip. That's good. Tapping 149. If you have a good rejection here, I will take this sell. This 5 minutes is not the greatest. Just gonna wait a little bit more to have a good confirm. What time is it right now? We are okay. Should I blind position? Or we wait? We are gonna wait. 149. Give me 149. 149. Ooh, that tab. Are we gonna close back below? $149. Okay. That's good. We have a 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15-minute close like this. I would take it right away, but it was too quick. So anyway, we are gonna take a sell here at about 8.9. So plus 5, 14 pips. We're gonna watch this level, and then we're gonna fill the whole 4 hour wick here based on 4 hour. 1 hour we look like that, and let's see, 4 hour, 148, 148.37. 1 hour look like this, and 30-minute look like this. I should prefer here just for safety. Yeah, I'm gonna TP right here. That's perfect. 148.5 a PPL level. I'm gonna take it at 5.1, and we're gonna do that. And we should be fine. Okay, perfect. 50-minute closing bearish on the next candle. That is excellent, right? At the PPL at 149. That's the signal call from Patrick. Nice, excellent drop. We are on the London Open right now. London Open in 2 minutes. Ooh, okay. We're gonna enjoy. We're gonna take a moment and enjoy the profits. About 45 pips. And it's gone. And just kidding, we have a retest. For our double check. All right, I'm gonna put a break even now. Thank you. Put a break even charts. Chart trace. I'm gonna break even. I'm gonna close this. Thanks for a signal, Patrick. This was all you. Says, did you say we have a retest based on the based on the 5 minutes here retest, but I usually doesn't take it because it doesn't line up with what I want. We are good to go. Let's go. What time is it right now? 2 hour in, 2 hour into the open. And do we have a TP? Let's go. All right. That is that for today. Early day. It's very early, just 2 hour after London Open. So we're gonna fast forward just a little bit more to the next day on Thursday. Okay. Nice move, nice moves. Okay, we're gonna skip to 5 hour once again. 5 hour. All right. Let's delete this garbage. I'm gonna copy this. What the hell is this? Because we have the new high right at the open. Uh-oh. I think we have some trouble. We might have, because I'm using, oh, no, I should do this one. Okay, let me double check on 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna use this one, right? Not here, because this is today's current day. Careful with that. And the wick, the daily zone, we are looking for this. Copy. I don't think we're gonna, okay, you know what? Since quite a bit of you guys, the John or Big D, I know you are here. If you can hear me, can you tell me what we are looking at right now? So I can just basically delete this because we are not going to use this anymore. I mean, we use it, but today we can't use it. Okay, I'm gonna let it play. I'm gonna DM this guy. So,
Yeah, man, I'm here.
nice. All right. Can you tell me what pattern?
Uh,
I'm gonna let it play a little bit more. You don't have to answer me right away, but it's going to be soon. 1 hour. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, just based on the daily high, you should be able to tell me what pattern we're looking for. Replay.
give me a second.
Yeah, take your time.
Top.
Yeah, and
For a sell.
no, there is one more pattern within top.
With consolidation.
Yeah. Okay, so you see that we have basically consolidation in the wick, in the daily high,
zone.
right? Exactly. So we're not going to take any trades for today, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So no trades for today. We're not going to take any buy or sells. We're just going to skip the entire day. That's correct. That's the fuck you pattern that we're not going to fuck with. The chart is going to play. Good job. All right. I'm going to fast forward a little bit since I'm not going to take any more trades today. So as you guys can see, we did break, let's say 15 minutes, right? We did break above, and you will take a buy maybe right here. right? Let's slow down. So based on 15 minutes right here, usually if we have a break, we look for a buy, right? And buy retest right here, if you look at 5 minutes, we did have a couple of confirmation candle here. Then if you take a buy there, we will take a stop loss, and stop loss will hit you out. So that is not a good charts to play with. So this is a fucking pattern. We're gonna skip to Friday. Okay, as you can see, just fuck around within this zone. What a garbage day. What a garbage day, right? That's what you got to do some days. Not every day is a profitable day. You need to anticipate which day is going to be a shitty day that you should not trade. Exactly. Not every day is a trading day. And the pattern name gives it away. If you figure it out, shh. All right. We are on to the Friday. Because I use stupid name, super easy names that everyone should be able to. Oh my God, are we having the same one? No, I think we are actually good. Not the consolidation this time today. Okay. All right. That is the high low. We're looking good, and I just want to quickly go through the weekly. So this is the beginning of the week. This is the weekly low. Current weekly high is right here. Let's look at the left. And then the middle is right here. So this part is the beginning of the week. This part is the end of the week. We did break at this level. Let's quick look at 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, daily. So we had bullish basically every day this week, right? Bull, this one, man, little bit of bullish, not a clean one, and then this one a clean regular. This one just consolidate and also bullish day closing above, right? And today, Friday, I don't think we should be able to breaking high, breaking the 150 level. 150 is a super strong PPL. I think if we have a confirmation in 30 minutes or 15 minutes here, we can take this sell back down. Oh, this one is going to be all the way, at least here. Oops. At least to this point, it's going to be all the way because we have a very good channel here, right? For those who know, we are going to take all the way down. We just need some confirmation signal candle that we look for. Nothing concrete yet, so I'm just gonna let it play a little bit more. Okay. Okay. I kind of want to take a sell here at 0.9. Let's see, 0.9. It's gonna be careful with this. This is right above the zone. Actually, this one. Okay. This is 778. Okay. Oh, 15 minutes was good too. Oh shit. That was too fast. So we have 5 minutes candle right here. Right, 5 minutes candle right here, and then the 15 minutes candle right there, same candle. I would yeah, very likely that I would take this sell at that point and then stop loss. Oops. Better close this. Yeah, and then stop loss just above here. So about 5 to 10 pips above stop loss right there, and then TP will be right there. This is how many pip that is? This is 10 pip, 10 pip, 20, 20. I don't know. I just wait. But that would be it. We are at 1 hour, 1.5 hours before open. Okay. 0.8. Should we take it? Should we take it? All right. This is the last trade of the day. I'm gonna take. All right. I'm gonna take this 0.9. Yeah, this looks good. And then I'm gonna do 5 to 10. So what's this? This is 5.96, and we are at 16 pips. Let's do 18 pip, just for safety. So 5 to 10 pip. I'm using 7 this time, and then TP was TP. TP we're gonna do all the way down to this level. This level is at 130, 149, 125. Okay, just right at that level should be fine. Ooh, nice, nice. If we could go back a little bit more, I'm gonna take another one. A little bit more, a little bit more. Oh, okay. Okay. As long as all these candles closing low, closing below the the zone right here, we should be able to continue lower, continue to drop. If the candles are closing above this zone, then it's gonna give us some trouble, especially in 1 hour. All this want to be okay, right? Just like right here, we close a button and we instantly close back. That is okay. But if 1 hour close, 1 hour close above, 1 hour close above, back on that zone, then that is trouble. Yeah, in one daily, we create a high wick already, so that makes sense for us for Friday to take this sell. We've been buying every day for the last week, right? For the this week. Just gonna wait. We have the London Open. Should start moving. That's perfect. We do have a 30-minute close like this, and yeah, we should be able to have a clean drop. 15. Yeah, there is no zone that I can use at all right here. The only thing I can use is this one, but it's not really that clean anyway. So yeah, once this break, we can actually go drop. This is the only zone that matters at this point. Like all the time frame, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 does not give me any zones. Okay, so you see this 5 minute respecting this one. So as long as this one break, then we should be able to put it at break even. Then it is going to be a clean drop. Okay, what time right now? About New York Open. in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we have a very nice close. It's going to be a clean, quick. It's going to be a quickie. Okay. Starting to close below. I'm going to put it at break even soon. So, okay, 5 minutes, we have this candle, right? That is a good confirmation. We are putting at break even. We have a break in 30 minutes. That is excellent. 1 hour close below as well. Now we are just going to free fall to the target. 0.25, let's go. All right, let's go. Perfect. That conclude the last trade of Friday. Oh, we have tapped this zone too. Perfect. I just like to secure. No, I just like to secure profits instead of pushing it all the way. So that's it for today's simulation, GJ simulation. Thank you very much for coming in. Thank you. Appreciate y'all.